Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you my natural hair routine. And my hair has been in these braids for the past week and a half, and it is in desperate need of being washed. So I'm just going to unravel my braids, and I'm going to put my hair in 6 twists in preparation to be shampooed and conditioned when I hop in the shower. Alright, so now that I have my hair twisted up, I'm going to hop in the shower and I'm going to use my Shea Moisture High Slip Detangling Shampoo to wash my hair and my Aussie conditioner to condition. Alright, so now that I'm done washing and conditioning my hair, I'm going to use this Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Treatment Mask for my deep conditioner today, and I'm just going to put that on each section, and then I'm going to retwist the sections, and then I'm going to go and sit under the blow dryer to really let that mask penetrate into my hair strands and do a really good job of deep conditioning. Alright, so now it's time to move on to deep conditioning. I'm going to put this grocery bag on my head. You can use a shower cap, of course, if you want to. It's up to you. This is just another way you can just recycle and be resourceful. So now I'm going to go and sit under my blow dryer. This is a really cool attachment. I love this thing. And I just put my blow dryer on medium heat. I switch between medium and cool heat for about 30 minutes. So now my hair is done deep conditioning and the product is rinsed out. So I'm going to moisturize with this Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Custard by Shea Moisture and this Nourishing Hair Cream by Amelise. So just showing you my hair here, freshly rinsed out. And I'm going to go on and apply my moisturizer. You can use whatever moisturizer you want to use. And I just like to use a shea butter, but of course you can use the oil. Sometimes I'll just go in with the oil to lock in that moisture. So yeah, I'm going to put these products in my hair and then I'm going to twist it up. So at this point, I'm done with my routine, and I'm just gonna like twist my hair up on the sides. And of course, my hair is wet. If I wanted to wear my hair out, if I was leaving, had to go somewhere to work, I would just put my hair in a bun, in a mesh bun maker. And yeah, so this week I'm pretty much gonna let my hair chill, and I think I'm just gonna rock my wig for the week. But yeah, if I wasn't rocking my wig, then I would just put my hair in a bun. Yeah, for like the first few days. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all next time. Bye.